Details are emerging on the new non-Saudi real estate ownership law, which replaces a decades-old law and is set to transform the real estate market in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. What should a foreign home buyer be thinking about before starting this market journey? What are some things that people should be doing now in advance of this law taking effect?
I think if you are an international buyer looking at the Saudi residential market or the real estate market, I think you've got to ask yourself why you want to own real estate there in the first place. I think you've got to do your homework and understand that this is an emerging market and the level of data availability may not be the same as what you're accustomed to in your own home market. And there's a lot of different data sources out there, and you need to make sure that you're looking at something that's accurate, reliable, available on a regular basis, so that you know what you're stepping into. Aside from that, you need to familiarize yourself with the whole transaction process as well. So making sure you're working with a reputable agent, perhaps one that has a presence even in your own home market. You need to understand what kind of financing expectations you are going to require. How are you going to fund that? Are you going to be able to secure a mortgage in Saudi? Will you have to do that in your own home market? What are the rules and regulations around capital repatriation if you're buying it as an investment property? Those are the sorts of basic fundamental questions that you would need to ask yourself before you enter this market. With the change in the ownership laws, there is going to be stronger price growth in these investment zones than the rest of the city. So it should become increasingly more attractive to a greater pool of international buyers around the world.